Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created a sparkler firework inspired eye look. I used the Stone Cold Fox palette by Colourpop, and we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. Take the shade Fascinated in Ariel A11 brush. I'm going to blend that into my crease area. Definitely a cool tone transition shade. I'm going to take an Ariel A20 and go in with the shade Bold Type. And put that right into my crease. I'm gonna take the shade Rumor Mill, which is this gray, dark, matte shade, on the same Ariel A20, and I'm gonna blend that into my outer V. And blend that up into my crease as well. Surprised how well this shade is blending. Silver shade Magnetic Mood on my finger. Look at that. It's literally like a mirror. Apply that in my inner half here. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's blinding. I'm gonna go with the shade Caving In. I'm just gonna apply that to the very end of that shade. It's not quite as smooth as Magnetic Moon. But do you see that transition there? Love it. Back in on my A20 and Rumor Mill, and I'm just gonna blend out the outer V here. Apply it to my bottom lash line. Magnetic Moon and just run that right here. Cannot get over it. To apply some black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. Go in with some black eyeliner. This is my X Collection Your Liquid Black Eyeliner. With some Tarte Eyeliner. It's like felt tip for the wing. Some Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I went on some Ruffle false lashes. And that completes this look. This is a little bit of a different eye look than I usually go for. I don't really wear silvery or gray eyeshadow, but I really like this look. It's so Firework Sparkler inspired. And please like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.